Necessity is the mother of invention. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, succeed. Necessity is the mother of invention. This proverb has stood the test of time, highlighting the innate human ability to innovate when faced with challenges. Throughout history, mankind has repeatedly demonstrated its remarkable capacity to adapt and create solutions in the face of necessity. In today's rapidly changing world, the power of necessity remains as relevant as ever. When faced with difficult situations, individuals and societies are often driven to find innovative solutions to overcome adversity. Whether it is a personal setback or a global crisis, necessity compels us to think outside the box and explore uncharted territories. Moreover, necessity has led to significant advancements in various fields. The pressing need for sustainable energy has spurred research and development in renewable sources such as solar and wind power. Similarly, the necessity to combat health ailments has led to breakthroughs in medicine and technology, resulting in life-saving treatments and improved healthcare systems. Furthermore, necessity fosters an entrepreneurial spirit and drives economic growth, identifying opportunities in challenging circumstances. Entrepreneurs introduce products and services that meet unmet needs. From the invention of the wheel to modern technological marvels, the desire to overcome obstacles has laid the foundation for countless innovations and industries. On an individual level, embracing the notion that necessity is the mother of invention can help us navigate through life's challenges. By viewing setbacks and obstacles as opportunities for growth and ingenuity, we empower ourselves to find creative solutions. It allows us to tap into our inner resourcefulness and push beyond our limitations, ultimately leading to personal and success. By harnessing the power of necessity, we can cultivate resilience, adaptability, and problem-solving skills that are essential for personal and professional development. By embracing necessity as the driving force for innovation, we open ourselves up to possibilities and opportunities that might have otherwise been overlooked. When faced with a challenge, we can approach it with a mindset of curiosity and determination, seeking out creative solutions and alternative approaches, but also paves the way for personal growth and self-improvement. Necessity also pushes us to think beyond our comfort zones and explore new territories. It encourages us to challenge traditional norms and conventions, paving the way for groundbreaking discoveries and inventions. Through necessity, individuals have revolutionized industries, reshaped societies, and improved the quality of life for countless people. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment and subscribe to the channel.